Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm here with a new video. So let's get started with the question I have, and the question is, what is the cause of so many impressions and clicks but no calls? Okay, so let me see. Okay, the image. Okay, so your industry is auto body and collision repair. You got around 2,310 impressions, 52 clicks, $16.43 was spent as well, zero calls, and I believe that you got a one click on auto body near me keyword as well, which is a very good keyword. You got a click, spend was $1.3, but no okay. So now you can see that you have spent around $16 with 52 clicks, and you do not have any idea on what is going on, right? That is, the one of the main mistake people do is, which is the cause of so many impressions and clicks but no calls in Google Ads is, you are uh, working with smart campaigns. Okay, this is a picture of a smart campaign. Okay, smart campaign is easy to create. Okay, the more easier it is, the lesser the chances are of for conversion, because marketing is all about analytics, data testing. So you need to get more insights, more data. So with this smart campaign, that you will never be able to create a good. So my suggestion is to create expert mode campaign. Okay, that is going to be helpful. Second thing is, what you have, you can create a call campaign. In case all you want is a calls, you can create a call campaign instead of a regular search campaign where there are more chances of calls. Third is, you need to improve on your ad copy. Okay, also add ad extensions. Okay, I can, show you a tool by Karoya, which is a tool, that is how you're gonna preview your Google Ads. For instance, this is a simple ad over here, and if I add a call extension to it, you can see over here that if I add, you can see the call option over here, and if I remove it and if I add the call out option over here, that is, even better option. You can see additional text ads, product services, highlight offers over here as well. If you remove it, you can see it's being removed from over here as well. So add a call extension, so that can also, build trust. Location extension, this can also, it really force people, because this will help in authenticity. So I believe that majority of the times authenticity is the reason, people do not trust you in calling out. If you add the advertiser rating, that is going to give you more chance. And if you add the stylic extension like this, look at this around. Now this is an ad, where people are much more likely to click on, because if I search on rooftop near me, and if I see your ads, okay, so if I search in some different location, so okay, no ads over here. So or restaurants near me, something like this. Okay, again, I'm not seeing any ads right now, because it's no one is trying to target in my location. But again, you may see ads. This is an ad, which grabs attention. Or if in case if I search something different, let's say web hosting, web hosting, someone is always advertising for this. You can see over here that this is a kind of an ad, and see just these four ads, and then compare it with this ad, where you have seen the advertiser rating, call extension, location extension, phone number, everything. That brings a lot of trust. So I believe that create an ad such like this, and it can help you in generating more and more sales, and definitely more calls for your business. So definitely create a call campaign with ad extension, that is going to help you in generating more sales. Again, poor ad copy can also reduce the attention of the people. So create a very good crafted headline copy, which can urge the users to click. And again, in case if you need a professional help, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we are going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign for your business. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.